Hello everyone and welcome back to our GreenScenario tutorial series. In this episode we're looking closer at the water body component. So here this internal curve defines the water body component. It's situated over here on the ribbon. When we look at the options, we have two different types. One is the retention basin, the other one is pond or wetland. And you can see their influence on different KPIs over here. And the only thing that we can control over here is essentially its depth. So we can just move the slider and you can see that with the depth of the slider, its detention volume increases, and it will be different for pond or wetland or the retention basin over here. By design, this body over here is calculated with 20% of its volume dedicated to providing some stormwater protection. So the deeper it gets, it's not 100% of its volume that's actually calculated as part of this detention volume over here. It's only a fraction of it.